multiply 12 with 3, you will get 36. Now check how many digits after the points in the question. 15 minus 2, 13, and plus 7, 20. 17,585, so it is 0.85. 60 and 68, it's 64. So our answer is 0. The denominator has 2 digits after the decimal, 0.02. So you should make also 2 digits after the point in the numerator, 80.00. Now point will be removed. So it would become 8,000. Hi viewers, today our topic is numbers, a very easy topic in O level. So you should get full marks in that category, 3 to 4 marks of this topic in the annual paper. So just understand this and remember this. A little mistake, your 1 or 2 mark cut, that is very bad. So let's start with some questions. And the question number 1 is 1 whole 4 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. So first of all, we shall convert that 1 whole 4 by 7 mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 7 times 1, 7, and add 4, 11 by 7. So 11 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. Now change that divide to multiplication, and the term after the sign will be reciprocal now. So it would become now 11 over 7 multiplied by 5 by 3. 11 times 5, 55, and 7 times 3, 21. So our answer will be 55 over 21. Now divide that 55 by 21. 21 times 2, 42, 13 left. So 2 whole 13 over 21 is the final answer. So the next question is 2 minus 1.2 multiplied by 0.3. Now, first of all, we know that board mass we shall multiply. But in decimal multiplication, it is quite easy. 1.2 multiply 0.3. You just multiply 12 with 3, you will get 36. Now check how many digits after the points in the question. 1.2. 2 is the first one, 0.3, 3 is the second one. So 2. So in the answer, there should be also 2 digits after the decimal. It means we shall put the point before 3, 0.36. So now 2 minus 0.36, 1.64. So now you have to put plus minus multiply sign to make it 20. It's very easy. 3 multiply 5, 15, minus 2, 13, and plus 7, 20. So arrange in ascending order from smallest to greatest. So first of all, you will convert all of them in decimal. 3 by 4, 0.75, 0.83 already, 17 by 20. So 20 make it 100, 25, 100, 17,585. So it is 0.85. And the next one is 82%, 0.82, and 0.8 is 0.80. So it's very easy. 0.75, 3 by 4 is the first one, 0.8 the second, 82%, third, 0.83 fourth, and 17 by 20 is the fifth one. So now we shall go to the next question. So here once again a very easy question. 3 by 5 and 0.68. 3 by 5, if we solve, it is 0.60, and we have 0.68. So what comes between 60 and 68? It's 64. So our answer is 0.64, right? What is 11 by 15 minus 2 by 3? So 15 is the LCM, make 2 by 3, 10 by 15. So 11 minus 10, 1 by 15 is our answer. On fingertips you can see that. Now here you have to make it fraction, 9 boxes total, and the shaded area, the middle one, in the red one you can see that full box, and then top and on the left of this red box, so this is 1, and the below is also 1, so 3 boxes are shaded. So 3 by 9, 1 by 3 is our answer. Once again, now division, 80 divided by 0.02. So in the decimal question we should write 80 over 0.02. Now in second, the denominator has 2 digits after the decimal 0.02. So you should make also 2 digits after the point in the numerator 80.00. Now point will be removed. So it would become 8000 over 2. So our answer will be 4000, right? 40 multiplied by 0.3. Once again, 43 is 120. How many digits after the point in the question? Only 1. So 12.0. 12 is our answer. So as I told you this, we are covering fraction, decimal and percentage in this lecture. 2 by 3 of 6 by 11. 2 by 3 multiplied by 6 by 11. Of mean multiply. So if we can cut, we shall cut here. 3 to the 6 and 2 to the 4. 4 by 11 is our answer. Next question, 0.45, and we have to convert into fraction. 0.45, how many digits after the point 2? So point will be removed and we get 100. So 45 by 100. 5 9s are 5 20s are 9 by 20 is our answer. And the next is once again board minus 6 multiplied by minus 3 plus 7 in the bracket. Solve the bracket first. 7 minus 3 4 and 4 times 6 24 plus minus friend enemy. Enemy's friend, friend's enemy, always enemy, minus. I shall also give you the link where I solved this plus minus with the help of enemy and friend, right? So now the next question, we have to convert 48 minutes and 2 hour 18 minutes as fraction. 48 minutes will remain same, 2 hour 120 minutes, 18 minute 138. 48 over 138. You can cut it with 6. So we get 8 over 23. 6 times 8 48 and 138 divided by 6 23. And here's the last question. 3 by 5 plus 5 by 7. So 35 is the answer. Multiply 7 by 7. First one become 21 by 35. Another multiply 5 over 5. It will become 25 by 35. Add both. So we shall get 46 over 35. Now we have to find the middle number. So multiply by 1 by 2. So 23 by 35 is the exact middle number between these two. Then we have to find this, add both of them and get multiply by 1 by 2 or divide by 2. So this is the first video of O-level topic number, subtopic fraction, decimal, percentage, and in the next video we shall cover 2 or more subtopics of numbers. Till then, it's good.